Hello, welcome to video tutorial 1, which is the introduction and overview of the Asoka mini-DBQ, which is a 2-week project that will answer the question, was Asoka a ruthless conqueror or enlightened ruler? By the end of this, your goal is to be able to write a claim and one body paragraph about the Mauryan Emperor Asoka. And you'll use clear reasons and cite relevant evidence from both primary and secondary sources. Your goal for this week is to be able to analyze documents in order to answer the question, was Asoka a ruthless conqueror or enlightened ruler? You can see the main agenda in order to do that are looking at 2 documents, the background essay and Tharper. One do now prompt to think about is, do the ends justify the means? Therefore, is it okay to do something bad to get a good result? I have here a cartoon to help you kind of think about those questions of what does it mean to be justified for one's actions. We are now going to look at the agenda, rubric, overview, and hook exercise. At this point, you should be downloading and/or printing the Asoka packet from Schoology, and that is found right here. All right, so I'm going to go look at mine. This is the first page of the packet. You see the goal of this project, again, to write a claim and one body paragraph. And we have due dates on Tuesday and Friday in order to help you structure your work. And all work will be completed and submitted on Schoology. So let's take a look at the chart. The chart is organized into week 1 and week 2. Within each week, you have 2 different lessons. Up at the top, you have the due dates, the preparation tasks, and what will be completed and submitted on Schoology. So, lesson 1 is doing the review, which we're doing right now, and then you will read and analyze the background essay and the first document, Tharpar. And then after you've done that, the evidence of that will be through by submitting it on Schoology. Okay. Lesson 2 will be analyzing 2 more documents, Wood and Mora. And note Mora, that is Asoka, Asoka's last name. Week 2, you will be writing a claim, and you'll also take a 5-question quiz on MLA citation. And remember that a strong claim takes a side on an argument and has 3 supporting topics. So your question that you'll be taking a side on is, was Asoka a ruthless conqueror or enlightened ruler? And so you'll choose either ruthless conqueror or enlightened ruler, and then give 3 reasons why, the supporting topics. Okay? And by the end of week 2, you will draft and write one body paragraph that supports your claim. Okay, so in this mini-DBQ, you'll write only, again, one body paragraph, not an entire essay. All right, so the rubric re-emphasizes information that we already saw in the agenda, but you will be writing a claim with 3 supporting topics. You'll have the paragraph and the different components. Remember, a body paragraph consists of your topic sentence, your evidence, your reasoning, your analysis, and you'll be using academic language as we've previously done. And we'll go over this more thoroughly next week as you begin the writing process. I am now on page 3 in the packets, and I'm going to read the overview. The Indian leader Asoka ruled the Mauryan Empire over 2,000 years ago. He helped to spread one of the world's most popular religions and establish reforms, which are political changes, that still have great meaning for modern-day Indians. But his story also has a dark side. Working with limited information, historians have tried to present a fair picture of this great figure. This DBQ asks you to do the same. So we have the 4 documents that you will be analyzing. And I have here the in-text citation and then the topic, even the title of the document. So we have the background essay. We have a document by Thapar, by Wood, and then these are edicts. So you can see Mora is referring to Asoka. The hook exercise, I kind of continue to getting you thinking about this question and how does this question, was Asoka a ruthless conqueror and enlightened ruler, connect to modern day? No matter the time period nor the place, one can always examine leadership and forgiveness. For leadership, there is the question, how should leaders be remembered and judged? For forgiveness, there's the question, can one atone or make up for harmful mistakes with positive contributions? Think about the questions and reflect, what qualities are needed to be a good leader? What, if any, behavior or actions are forgivable? So your thoughts on these 2 questions may affect how you judge Asoka's leadership. This concludes the introduction and overview of the Asoka mini-DBQ. Your next step will be to begin the background essay.